Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is an unboxing video. I am unboxing a wireless lavalier microphone today and reviewing all the contents inside. For more videos like this, hit that like button on the video and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoy this video. Stay on and watch till the end. Okay, let's see the box. The company name is printed on the top and it says wireless lavalier microphone. And this is what is printed in the back of the box. It says it has ultra low latency, super standby, real-time clear voice syncs, noise reduction, automatic pairing, mini portable. And then here on the side, you can use a microphone for YouTube video recordings, TikTok videos, online teaching. Also use it for live shows, interviews or vlogs. Okay, let's open this box up. Alright, what do we have here? This is the adapter, the microphone itself with the clip attached. Then it has a few extras here. There's user manual too. And this is a separate box. Let's see what this is. Comes with a USB charger and a storage pouch. So let's see the user manual. There's the wireless transmitter. Looking closely, this is the transmitter here. This is the receiver. Pretty lightweight. Then it comes with extra microphone windscreens. Those are these windscreens here. And then an extra clip. This is the extra clip here. USB Type-C charging cable. That's this one. User manual and the storage bag. Let's take a closer look at the user manual. We already saw the packaging list. Next is product overview, where it describes each and every part of the transmitter and the receiver. Next, the user manual talks about pairing. In step 1, you just plug in the receiver to the iPhone or iPad, and the receiver should have red light on. And in step 2, with the microphone transmitter, you press the power button and the green light should be on. And that's all the settings that you need to do. In order to switch off, you have to long press the power button on the microphone transmitter for about 5 seconds to turn it off. If there is no connectivity, it will shut down after 3 minutes. And the receiver, you just plug off the device from your phone and that's it. Charging. When you're charging the transmitter, the blue LED light is on when it is charging and the LED light is off when it's fully charged. And when you've connected the receiver to your iPhone, You can also remotely keep charging your iPhone when you're recording. You can also reset the transmitter if it fails to pair with the receiver. I didn't have any problem like that. But if you do have a problem, you then just have to perform a reset. You have to plug the receiver in the iPhone or iPad and then use the pin to poke the reset pinhole of the receiver twice. And then, as step 2, turn on the microphone transmitter and use the pin to poke the microphone reset pinhole twice. After the second step, the transmitter and receiver are paired again. The LED light on both devices will stop blinking. And that's it on the user manual. I have just charged this microphone, so let's see how this works. I'm going to connect the receiver to my iPhone right now, and then we'll see if this microphone makes a difference, if you can hear any difference in my voice. Right now I'm speaking without any microphones on, so let's see. It blinked a couple of times in the beginning. Right now it's paired with the adapter by itself. I didn't have to do any other settings. So let me plug it in. Okay. Now the voice you hear right now is with the microphone. Can you feel any difference with the microphone now? Right now, this is test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, testing without the microphone on. Okay, now this is with the microphone on. Can you hear the difference in my voice? I believe the voice is coming through clearly without any background noise. Okay, a quick disclaimer here. I have not been paid by the company for this product. I bought this product for my own personal use, and I am recording the unboxing video for myself so I can share it with you all. Thank you everyone for sitting through this unboxing video. I'll come back to you with a detailed review of this microphone later. For now, if you're interested in buying this microphone, I will drop a link in the description below. Check it out. Thank you.